Hello and welcome to Model Minutes. This video is a quick review of the HobbyBoss HE162 Salamander in 1/72 scale. This is one of the late war German jets, and apparently it was one of the fastest due to its lightweight wooden design. This was the first HobbyBoss kit I had built, and it was back in my little phase where I decided I only like building the models and not actually painting them. So I've decided to give it a paint scheme. The HobbyBoss packaging is one of the best that I've seen. I'm not 100% sure about the artwork on the top, as I feel some other manufacturers have better artwork, but the packaging inside was exceptional. All of the parts were laid out in their own separate compartments inside the box, and the instructions are quite clear. The kit went together reasonably well and had very little flash or moulding problems. Due to the fact this had been left in my garage for quite some time, a few little components were broken or missing when I came around to finishing it, particularly the little hoop thing on top of the jet engine and also the protrusion on the end of the nose. I had to manufacture this myself from a piece of sprue. The kit comes with two different paint schemes, one for a German aircraft and one for a Russian aircraft which has been captured post-war. I decided to do it in the latter. I painted it overall in a grey colour and then added the decals. The decals are printed to a high standard and went on with little trouble. I feel that this model would be suitable for beginners, especially due to the simple colour scheme of the Russian aircraft. It retails for under £10 in the United Kingdom and would be well worth a try. I quite like this aircraft as it's unusual, and a little fact I found out a little while ago was that apparently this was one of the first aircraft to have a rudimentary ejector seat for the pilot. If the pilot tried to bail out conventionally with a jet engine behind him, there wouldn't be a pilot anymore. So the ejector seat was invented in order to push him over the top of the engine safely. Let me know what you think of this build in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video. If you like what you saw, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to find out when my next video goes live. See you all again next time.